Let me take one example then. Let me take one example. Then I think you will be clear. Okay. Let me show you first one convention, one sign convention. It is not necessary to follow, but if you will follow, you will never get confused. Let us suppose it is having resistance R, and suppose current is flowing from here. Current is flowing from here. Okay. Let me take. I think yes. Let me take current I is flowing from here. If I am telling current is I flowing from here, let me take it is this side V1. It is terminal is having A and B terminal. Here it is potential V1. Here it is potential VB. We can say by Ohm's law, VA minus VB, that is potential difference, is equal to I into R. You can tell like this, and we know potential of VA is equal to is greater than VB. So this is the potential drop. So we find the potential drop by using this formula also, or this formula only. Now, what convention we will use? We will use whenever in a circuit current is flowing in this direction, okay, and we are moving in this direction, we will take as a potential difference is equal to how much? We will take it like this, minus IL. This convention we will use it. What is my convention? You can, no problem, you can use opposite convention also. I am showing you one convention and I will use this convention solving any question. Okay, what is my convention? If I am moving along the direction of current, I will take minus of potential difference. Okay, I repeat once more. If I am moving along the current, I will take minus of potential difference. Okay, suppose R is here, current is flowing here, okay, and we are moving in this direction, okay, then we will take potential difference is equal to I into R, and sign theta as positive because they are moving opposite to direction of current. Okay. Now one more example, one more convention I tell you. Suppose we are having a voltage. It is having voltage V. We are moving in this direction. So suppose we are moving in this direction. What is happening? It is happening that potential is increasing from negative low potential to high potential. So when we are moving from low potential to high potential, we will take it as positive V. And if suppose we are moving in this direction, as we are moving this direction, then what we are doing? We are moving from high potential to low potential. Then we will take it as minus V. This convention we will be using in R circuit, and using voltage for battery we will use this, and for resistance we will use this. Okay, but it not compulsory. You can use another convention also, opposite of it also. Okay, any problem here you can ask. Any problem from here? One question you might be thinking, sir, why are you taking this here negative minus IR? Not necessary, but I tell you, earlier also I have tell you, this is VA and this is VB. Current is flowing from here, that means VA is greater than VB. We can say this potential is greater than this potential. So when we are moving in this direction, how we are moving? We are moving from high potential to low potential. High potential to low potential. See here. When we are moving from high potential to low potential, we are taking minus V. Similarly, high potential to low potential, we are taking minus sign. And when we are moving in this direction, it is low potential and it is high potential, we have taken positive sign. So to have no confusion, we are using this convention. Any problem in this convention, you can ask. Any problem, anyone, you can ask. Okay.